Located deep within a dense forest, Residence SAB by Govaert and Vanhoutte architects is shaped by what already exists on the site. Mature trees are not obstacles to be removed, but anchors to be designed. Paths are maintained, root systems are respected, and the building plan is carefully adjusted to avoid disruption. The result is a placement that feels less like construction and more like discovery, as if the house had been waiting for the right moment to emerge. The architecture itself reflects this subtle approach. Two distinct volumes define the composition. The upper level, clad in warm wood, is more enclosed and protective, and the ground floor is completely exposed through transparent glass. Between them, a solid horizontal slab creates a clear division, both visually and spatially, balancing solidity and lightness. This is a house that protects when needed and disappears when possible. Below the surface, much of the program is hidden. Much of the house is embedded within the forest, reducing its presence above ground and preserving the natural character of the site. Above, the main spaces expand outward, flowing seamlessly toward the terraces and the water. The boundaries blur, the inside becomes the outside, and the architecture becomes an atmosphere rather than an object. From certain angles, the house almost appears to float. This effect is no accident. The horizontal lines, reflective surfaces, and careful use of shadows all work together to soften the building's weight. The forest remains visually dominant, while the architecture recedes into the background. It doesn't compete, it participates. Ultimately, the true achievement of this house is not what is built, but what is left untouched. It challenges a fundamental assumption that building requires changing a place. Instead, he proposes something more restrained, more precise, that architecture can exist as a response, not as an imposition. And in doing so, he reveals a calmer and more powerful way of living with the world around us.